We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to be taking a look at this HP CM6040, and we're going to be showing you common reasons for causes of paper jams. So we're going to use our tray 2 as an example, and one of the most common problems that we see as far as causing a paper jam is there's a little paper adjuster inside this tray. There's one for length and width of the paper, and if those get changed or moved around from usually it's from adding or taking out paper, then that can cause a paper jam, because this is what sets the paper size for the printer to know what size paper is going through the printer. So if it's too big, then it's going to think that there's paper left inside the printer or what have you. So you want to make sure that for whatever paper size you're using, that these little paper adjusters are set correctly. So in this instance we're using letter size paper, and there's a little letter indicator. We want to make sure that each of these little adjusters are on the indication for letter size for both length and width. So once that's set, if everything's good there, then you're good to go. Now the other common cause is from adding paper, especially when there's very low amount of paper in the tray, so when you're down to the last few pages. It's really easy to just, especially you unwrap a new pack of paper and you grab a big stack and you want to just drop it in, you're in a hurry, I understand. However, there's a good chance that when you add a lot of paper to it, if any of the paper on the bottom is curled up at all, and you stick the new paper in, and you get it to curl up in the back, then that's going to cause a paper jam. Maybe not right away, but it's going to cause a paper jam. You want to make sure that whenever you're adding paper, that if you can, remove all the paper and use a surface to get it nice and even and flat, and add it all in together. And you want all the paper to be stacked nice and even all the way across. Nothing folded up on the top, bottom, either side. As long as everything's nice and neat, then you're good to go there. The third common cause is going to be your rollers. If your rollers are getting worn, then it's not going to be pulling the paper through properly, and that would be a good time to call Onyx and get you taken care of. But other than that, you should be back up and printing and good to go. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.